Morning boys and girls, this is my VR response to Zed Outdoors for his 1000 sub giveaway. Well done Zed, great result mate, all down to your good work and hard work and determination. So here I am in my local woodland, my dogs are around, over there's one of them, one's around somewhere. Ooh, a bit close. But now it's time to cook breakfast. Here in my hammock, having a swing. Let's make some food. Okay, so we've got the wild wood gas stove, and the top is just here. And this is what I'm going to be cooking my breakfast on. Just laid the fuel in there from all of these trees. Time to light a fire. Dog just ran past. Okay, it's my choice of tinder today is this, and this is charred birch polypore, which I use. I can't get any cramples where I live, there just aren't any. So there's loads of this stuff, so I char it, and it makes the most amazing tinder. I can zoom in on that. No, not going to work. Okay, take my word for it. There we go. Took a little while, but we are cooking with gas now, or wood gas. Smoke it. Right, let's get some wood on there. With one hand. I thought this through. Doesn't like the smell of smoke, do you? You don't mind. What are you doing? So, that's my scrambled egg. Cooked up. Now we'll get the stove. Cheers, Zed. Great competition. Great competition. Right, well, I'm gonna sit back and relax in my hammock, eat my eggs, play with the dogs, drink my coffee, and enjoy myself. Cheers.